document is one of the most boring, but also one of the most important document that you can have as a project manager. So the more I think about AI and project management, the more I think that there's 80 to 90% of the job that can be done through AI. So be it all the project document, but also all the business analysis document, all the testing document. It's just mind-blowing. I think I just left the job a bit too early. Now it must be much easier. To ask AI to create any document, you need to give it obviously some basics. And here for the PID, what I suggest you do is you first to say, okay, find a project initiation document template based on PMP methodology. So using the best templates here, you just have to provide some guidance. And then you say what the project is about. And obviously, if you have some briefs, some emails or likes, you just attach them as well. But here I'm just going to say, being very simple, creation of a website. I'm just going to say for a shoe company, and the budget is $200,000, time frame 6 months. You know, sometimes they come to you, oh, we have $200,000 or 20 million or whatever, and you have 6 months to build it. Can you do this? Can you write something on it? Yes, of course I can. What you have to say as well is, there are people who look at the size of a document before they accept it. If you only have 3 pages, they won't like it. So you just put document must be at least 5 pages long, so this way everybody will be happy. They will all believe that you have done a great work. So here there could be any AI as usual. I mean, obviously you have some preferences, I'm sure. But here I'm using Gemini, the free version, because I want to be able to export that to a project document. So it will be Google Docs, but I can easily convert that into a Word document at this stage. And you could argue I could have used maybe Copilot as well, but I'm going to stick with Gemini. I think I use Microsoft enough as it is. So here, interesting. So I don't know why it gives me this random date here. So let's see what is done. Project overview, very good. Business needs. Yes, well, they're probably saying that, yes, they need a website now. Deliverables, very nice. So that's the type of thing they can pick up for you. You know, the scope, yes. And then you say, oh, I don't want this. I don't want that. But you have a starting point. Scope exclusion, very good. Thank you very much. The budget, hopefully they'll come back to this. This is very high level, but that's just a constraint, I suppose. Assumptions. Organization, very important. They have it. A project team. You know, when you just say this is, creating a website, they know they have to get developers, designers, testers, BAs, SEO specialists, not sure. System administrators. Okay, so stakeholders, very good. Let's see if they give us a stakeholder matrix. That'll be very nice. Project management approach, so that's very good. You can say that you've thought about it, and obviously he spits out all the monitoring and controlling. So it's just using the PMT methodology, which is good. Risk management, obviously. Now the budget, they've attempted to do a breakdown, which is always good as a starting point. Look. Schedule, can you believe it? Very nice. Now they haven't given me enough on the risk management. Provide a basic risk management, risk register, I should say, and a stakeholder matrix. Now I have some very good templates on this if you're interested. So well, there's that. Yes, I have a template on this website, on this YouTube channel if you're interested. And also, I have also how to generate a report using AI. So that's an interesting one. So what does it, did it give me? Stakeholder matrix. Yes. Interest, influence, attitude, neutral. Okay, very nice. So you can export all this into docs. So here it's just going to export me this one. So you can just very easily, for free of charge, export that to docs. Obviously, if you have a template, as I'm mentioning, I'm sure you can attach a template and then it will do the work for you. So this is obviously just for the risk register. So I would need to say, please include this into the main document. But I think this is quite good. I mean, the amount of time it takes, very tedious to do these types of documents. But also something interesting is that you often have the same thing that you have to repeat in those documents. So AI will take care of that. If you have some types of repository where you can input all the data that keeps coming back. So if you want to have a look at this other quick video that I've done on how to generate a project report very quickly in 1 minute, feel free to have a look at this one.